Welcome to this lesson on data visualization foundations and visual storytelling. In the next 6 minutes, you'll learn how data visualizations help us understand information more clearly, communicate insights effectively, and support informed decision-making. This session will guide you from basic chart types to the essential principles of telling a powerful visual story with data. What is data visualization? Data visualization is the practice of turning raw data into visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps. The goal is to make patterns, trends, and insights easier to understand. Humans process images faster than numbers, so visualizing data helps us quickly identify relationships and make better decisions. Why visualization matters? Visualization matters because it simplifies complexity. A 1,000-row dataset means little until we chart it. Visuals help reveal trends, comparisons, and outliers. In business and research, clear visualization improves communication, supports data-driven decisions, and helps convince stakeholders by showing evidence visually. Types of data for visualization. We visualize several data types: numerical data like scores or income, categorical data such as gender or product type, time series data like daily temperature, and geospatial data connected to locations. Each data type requires the right kind of visual to clearly communicate insight. Basic chart types. Some fundamental charts include bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends over time, pie charts for proportions, scatterplots for relationships, and tables for exact values. Choosing the correct chart type is the first step toward creating an effective visualization. Choosing the right chart. The right chart depends on your question. Use bars to compare categories, lines to show changes over time, scatterplots to explore correlations, and histograms to study data distribution. Poor chart selection leads to confusion, but the correct one reveals insights instantly. Understanding your audience. Visual storytelling starts with understanding your audience. Ask, who will see this? What decisions will they make? What background knowledge do they have? This helps determine how simple or detailed your visuals should be and ensures your message connects clearly. Reducing complexity. Good visual design removes clutter. Too many labels, colors, or decorations distract from the message. Simplifying a chart helps your audience focus on what matters. Keep designs clean, use minimal colors, and remove anything that doesn't support the insight. Highlighting key insights. Effective visual storytelling highlights the most important point. You can use color to emphasize a trend, annotate a specific data point, or draw attention to an unexpected pattern. The goal is to guide the viewer's eye toward the takeaway message. Color theory basics. Color is powerful in visualization. Use consistent colors for categories and avoid overly bright palettes. Consider colorblind-friendly options. Use warm colors like red or orange to highlight and cool colors like blue for background elements. Color should guide, not overwhelm. Avoiding misleading visuals. Visuals must be truthful. Avoid distortions such as starting the axis at non-zero values when comparing numbers or using inconsistent scales. Misleading visuals confuse the audience and damage credibility. Always ensure your visual accurately reflects the data. Working with time series data. Time series visualizations show how values change over time. Line charts are ideal because they reveal trends, cycles, and fluctuations. Always keep time on the horizontal axis, use clear labels, and avoid clutter so trends are easy to spot. Understanding correlation charts. Scatterplots help show relationships. A positive trend means as one value increases, the other does too. A negative trend means the opposite. Always remind interns that correlation does not equal causation. Just because two variables move together doesn't mean one causes the other. Dashboards overview. Dashboards combine multiple visuals into one view. They help monitor KPIs, track performance, and identify problems quickly. A good dashboard is simple, focuses on key metrics, and updates automatically. It should answer clear business questions at a glance. Principles of good dashboard design. Effective dashboards follow 3 rules: clarity, minimalism, and logical layout. Place the most important charts at the top or center. Use consistent colors and fonts. Limit visuals to what the viewer truly needs. A clean dashboard improves decision-making. Introduction to visual storytelling. Visual storytelling means using data to narrate a clear message. A good story has a beginning, middle, and end. Introduce the problem, show the analysis visually, and present the final insight or call to action. The story must be simple and compelling. Building a narrative with data. A narrative helps the viewer understand context. Start with the question you're answering, guide the audience through the visual journey, and end with what they should learn or decide. Narratives make data meaningful rather than just numbers or charts. Ethical visualization practices. Ethical visualization ensures honesty and transparency. Avoid manipulating scales, hiding important variables, or exaggerating differences. Always provide labels, sources, and explanations so your audience can understand and trust your visuals. Real-world example walkthrough. Imagine we analyze student performance across semesters. A line chart can show improvement, a bar chart can compare subjects, and a scatter plot can reveal relationships like study hours versus grades. Presenting these visuals together forms a clear and convincing story. Closing and key takeaways. In summary, data visualization turns raw data into clear stories. Choose the right chart, simplify design, understand your audience, and highlight key insights. With strong storytelling skills, you can transform data into decisions. Thank you for watching.